A giant star does not choose to shine only if other stars are shining around it. A giant star does not take its cue from the stars that are around it. It continues shining regardless of the circumstances that it faces. It keeps shining regardless of the challenges that it may face. It keeps shining regardless of anything that might materialize around it. A giant star will shine even if some stars around it start falling, some stars around it start collapsing, some stars around it start dying, exploding, and losing their steam, losing their energy. But a star, a giant star, is shining. It shines during the day, it shines during the night, it shines when it is windy, it shines in all situations. It's not going to wait until the day is calm, until the day is smooth. It will keep shining. It will be shining every second. It will be shining every minute. It will be shining every hour. It will be shining every day. It will be shining every week. It will be shining every year. It will be shining decade by decade. Because we are talking here about a giant star. We are talking about a star that's not going to stop shining because there are things that are happening around it. It's not going to do that. It's not going to allow circumstances around it to dictate whether it's going to shine or not. Now, this is a great lesson that needs to be learned by all of us. Year after year, we need to learn these great lessons. No matter how hard it might be along the way, you need to understand that you are a giant star. You need to understand that you are a shining star. You need to understand that you have to keep on shining. You need to understand that you need to keep on giving your brightness. You need to understand that you must keep on giving out your light regardless of the circumstances that you are facing, regardless of the problems that you are facing, regardless of anything that you might find along the way. You just keep shining day in and day out. You keep shining whether people are criticizing you. You are shining whether people are laughing at you. You are shining whether people ridicule you. You just keep shining and shining each and every day because you are that giant star. You are not going to take your cue from those around you. You're not going to listen to the critics who are discouraging you from moving forward, who are saying to you, stop following your dreams, stop following those things that matter the most in your life. You're not going to say that because you are this bright star, you are this giant star that has to keep on shining day in and day out as you believe that you were born in order to shine that light, in order to give out that light. You keep on doing those things that are great, those things that are amazing for your life, because you are working towards a brighter future each and every day. That's what you focus on. So you are not going to allow things around you to stop you from becoming better and better each and every day of your life. Being a giant star, you do not depend on what's happening around for you to shine. Your shining, your brightness is not based on the circumstances around you. Your brightness is not based on the things that are happening around you. Because you are this shining star. You keep shining each and every day. You keep shining regardless of what's happening around you. So just keep on doing that. Just keep on moving forward. Just keep on pushing forward. Just keep on pressing forward. Don't allow circumstances to stop you from moving forward, to suppress you, to suppress your imagination. You've got to imagine these great things. You've got to say this great future becoming a possibility. You've got to imagine this great future unfolding in front of you. This great future materializing in front of you. Because you are a star. You keep shining. You maintain this brightness. Even if there are difficult times ahead of you, even if there are difficult times around you, even if circumstances are making it difficult for you to shine, you just keep shining because you are that bright star. You keep shining no matter what. Don't stop. Don't give up. Don't throw in the towel. Don't give up and don't throw in the towel. Just keep moving forward. Just keep running this race that is set before you. There'll be a day when you'll sit down and say, I made my decision. I'm so happy. I'm so glad that I didn't stop. There'll be a day when you reflect on your life, you'll say, I'm so happy that I didn't stop moving forward. It might be difficult now to imagine that. It might be a problem. It might be a challenge. Now it might be unthinkable right now. But a day will come when you will just say that, oh, I made it. Finally. So just keep thinking about that. Whenever you are facing challenges, problems, whenever you are facing various trials and tribulations, think about that day when everything will be behind you. Think about that day. Just imagine, just sit down and imagine the day and work towards it. And that's what is going to help you. Just to keep moving, regardless of the circumstances, regardless of the problems, regardless of the challenges, regardless of the hardship that you are facing.